Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 7720 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but into Google, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 7720 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with HP OfficeJet Pro 7720 wide format all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then once you're on this page, you want to go underneath the support category and select where it says software and drivers. And now on this page, just scroll down underneath the installation software and drivers and select the Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then you can close or minimize out of the web browser, and it should launch the Easy Start utility guide here. Just follow along with the on-screen prompts here of getting your printer configured for your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.